Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick video. I've gotten a few new Traveler's Notebooks in the mail recently, and I wanted to order one from Amazon because I have, like, you know, the old camel, the new camel, the old blue, the new blue. I wanted to get one of the new brown Traveler's Notebooks, and I wanted to see how the leather compares to my original, which says Midori right there. So I've had this one for a long time. I've had it for, I got it in 2013, I think. Sorry, my light just went out, one of them. I think I need to charge it. So you've seen unboxings that I've done of Traveler's Company, Midori, Traveler's Factory notebooks. So it looks like all the others. There's a sticker there that says what color the leather is. And again, another explaining the company. In the back, explaining what's in there, the cloth bag, cotton bag, the leather notebook, the blank Midori notebook refill, and the extra elastic. And it comes with the orange alternate color and the leather care instructions. And of course, this extra elastic. Keep it, don't throw it away. You'll be thankful you did. Now, let's see. Okay, so this is, you can see it's the new one because it says Traveler's Notebook, Traveler's Company, Japan, made in Thailand, while my old one just says Midori, made in Thailand. And, you know, the leather feels a little bit different. When I first got mine, it had this white powder on it. And this doesn't have a white powder on it. But the leather does feel different. It's a beautiful piece of leather. But it's fuzzier on the inside. My new camel and the others that came were really smooth. You can see how this one is fuzzy, like that. Or here, back here. Sorry, I had a pen loop and I have a pocket here. It's very interesting. Here, let's take the insert out. Now this is just a regular Traveler's Company insert with the like the Midori paper. What it feels like. So look at that. And so you can tell it's a pull-up leather, just like all of the others. It does have kind of a suede-y feel. That's for sure. And it has the black, if you can see, paint edging all the way around, which is what this one has too. All the way around. Has the same clasp. But the leather does feel different. the bookmark. Oh, it has some sort of a, probably a mark from when they removed the hide from the animal. So this is a brand new Traveler's Notebook, Traveler's Company, formerly called Midori. And you can see it's more of a pull-up leather because of what happens here at the spine. Mine, oops. You can see, now I've used this for a long time and still use it to this day. But you can see how it's kind of darkened over time. I did clean it once. I cleaned it with, what's that stuff called? Coach Leather Cleaner and then the moisturizer. On the outside only. I didn't put any on the inside because I didn't want my inserts getting gross. And I've got the Pan Am zipper pouch. And then this is the undated weekly calendar. The old one that used to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now it comes one day per line. So Saturday and Sunday each get one day. Wow, so that, it does feel different. The leather does feel different. I have a brown passport. My husband has a brown standard and he also has a brown passport. And all of those that we have say Midori on them. So this is the only brown one that we've gotten that says Traveler's Notebook. Because even my one that I got from the Narita airport, that one, it's here somewhere. Here it is. That one as well, you can see, says Midori, made in Thailand. And that's my Narita airport edition. And the leather is definitely different. This one I got in 2000 and... when was I taking Japanese? This is one of my Nihongo books. This I got in December of 2015. So I've had it for a while, and I used it for my Japanese class that I took all of 2016. I need to get back into my Japanese class. So there you go. Here you can see a 2013 Traveler's Notebook in brown, a 2015 Traveler's Notebook in brown, and a 2018 Traveler's Notebook in brown. And I just got it through Amazon. Reason I went through Amazon because I had Prime, so it was free 2-day shipping. And another reason is it was the cheapest that you could get them. It was like $37 and some change. But there you go, just a quick little look at the brown Traveler's Notebook. And I ordered it on the last day of April, so I haven't broken my no spend for the month of May. I will link Amazon down below, but you can also get these through Jet Pens, you can get it through Goulet Pens, you can get it through Baumkuchen, and so many other places. If you have any question, leave one down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.